It's truly astounding how the intangible can have such immense impact. From the initial burst of inspiration to the final product, ideas hold the power to revolutionize industries, transform lives, and shape the future. To delve deeper into the fascinating world of ideas, we must first understand how to nurture and cultivate our own. It begins with fostering a mindset of curiosity and openness. Being receptive to new experiences, asking questions, and challenging the status quo can lead to fresh insights and perspectives. And let's not forget the power of collaboration. By bringing together diverse talents and perspectives, we can stoke the creative flame and generate even more potent ideas. In conclusion, ideas are the bedrock of progress. They're the driving force behind innovation and change. Embrace the power of ideas, and you may just find yourself on the brink of an incredible breakthrough or transformative experience. So, unlock your imagination, nurture your curiosity, and let your ideas reshape the world.